In this video, I'll show you how to install the Dofu Sports app on your Firestick so you can stream live sports with ease. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet and go to the Settings menu. Navigate to My Fire TV or device, then select Developer Options and enable apps from unknown sources to allow third-party installations. Return to the Firestick home screen and search for the Downloader app. Install and open it. In the Downloader app, enter the URL for the Dofu Sports APK file. You can find this on the official Dofu Sports website or a trusted source. Download the APK file, and once it's complete, select Install to add Dofu Sports to your Firestick. After the installation, open the app and explore its features, including live sports streams and game schedules. Don't forget to remove the APK file from the Downloader app to save space on your Firestick. If you encounter any issues or have questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful tutorials on maximizing your Firestick experience.